Hello everybody, Mr. O here. Welcome to unit number 6. Woo-hoo-hoo! We only have 3 more units left. Unit 6, Unit 7, Unit 8. That's crazy. Time is starting to tick down, so if you're behind, time to start putting in an extra hour a week here so that you can get caught back up. Wanted to welcome you all to unit number 6, where we will be talking about probability, which is really interesting. Take a look. I got some dice here. Here's a 20-sided die. Have you ever seen a 20-sided die? Well, let's see if I get an 11. Oh, what did I get? Oh, 18. Darn it. Here's a 10-sided die. Woo! 0! 6-sided die here. Notice that all these die would have different probabilities. Probability is just the probability of something happening. What's the outcome divided by the total possibilities? For example, the probability of getting a 12 on this die would be 1 out of 20 because there's only one 12 and there's 20 possibilities. What about getting an even number? Well, an even number, how many even numbers are there on here? So you'd have to count up the even numbers and then divide again by 20, okay? And the probability would be different. Probability is super important in real life because there's lots of different things that happen that we can actually apply probability to. For example, what's the probability of getting a job that pays more than $10 an hour, cha-chink, if you don't have a high school diploma? Or what's the probability of for example, getting into a car wreck or getting really hurt if you're not wearing a seatbelt? These are all different kinds of questions. In fact, in this chapter, we'll be talking about insurance. And insurance is really interesting because it's nothing more than a probability game. An insurance company tries to figure out what's your probability of getting into a car wreck, and then they charge you that amount of what they would expect if you do get into a car wreck. And so for younger kids, you guys get into car wrecks more, therefore your insurance is a little higher. In fact, here, take a look at this. This is my insurance for my hospital plan at work. Take a look. So if you're age 18 to 45, it only costs $19. But if you're age 46 to 55, it costs $26. And if you're age 54 to 64, it costs $37. And so notice that those go up because your probability of ending up in a hospital when you're older is more likely. And notice that you can't get insurance after age 64. So that's why it's important to get it when you're young so that you can carry it over. So anyways, that is what we will be talking about this week is probability. That'll be our math topic. And then we'll talk about insurance, specifically auto insurance and what you should do to get good auto insurance. Other than that, we hope you have a good week. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Make sure to do the discussion board. And I'll leave you with this last probability question. What is the probability that Mr. O can sink the Tigger ball into that basket over there? Let's find out. Make it. Oh. Obviously, not very good. Have a great week. Bye.